Hi everyone. Today we still continue discussing about function, but this time we will focus on function with return value. In the previous discussion, we talk about function with no return value, wherein functions are invoked in the main body of our HTML code, right? And results or any activities, all activities are contained in a specific function. So there is no passing of values happened in that. So today we are going to discuss about function or the implementation of function with return value. Okay. Okay, let's try to we have this one here before this code here, add and also the average. Okay, so we wanted to in function with return value, we are going to pass or return this the result of sum and average to the body tag here. So let's say we have our numbers are x and y. We would expect sum is equal to 10, but this time we are going to print the result in the body tag somewhere here. Okay, for a while. And so with this average. Okay. Now since the printing of the result is invoked or is somewhat like mentioned or happened in the body tag, then therefore we need to pass or return the result of sum and average here in the body tag. Okay, so this time since we talk about function with return value, then we have to use return here. Okay, so what we return is the sum, and the other one here is we are going to return ave, meaning to say we return the result to the main body somewhere here. Now the problem here is that we didn't when passing the value or returning the value to the main body, there is no, we didn't assign this one in a specific variable. So we have to declare a variable, a specific variable that would somehow holds the result. For instance, we have to write this one like var sum1 and also average ave1. So we use sum1 to hold the return value here. Sum1 is equal to the result the result of the after invoking the function add, and also we use ave1 to hold the result after invoking the average function, just like that. So I would like to emphasize that every time you use function with return value, then you need to have we need to use the word return, and then the value that is going to be returned, I mean the variable that holds the result which is going to be returned in the main body. Like for instance here, we have here the sum is, we are expecting to have 10 here as the result, and then we're going to return that to the main body, and that 10 will be assigned into a certain variable called someone so that we could print the value here. So instead of using sum, we will use the variable that holds the value after being returned to the main body. So we have here someone and also ave1. That's it. So it means to say that we print the result. We're going to print the result of sum, and also here we're going to print the result of average. Okay, let's try to check if there are errors. So we still have the same result, 10 and 5. Let's try to check or change the value. Let's say we have here 10, and then also we have here 10. Okay, so here we have F5, and then the sum is 16 and the average is 8. So therefore we correctly implemented the function with return value. So again, we use with return value if you wanted to return a certain value to the main body here in our code, just like that. Okay, I hope you learned something from this discussion.